Okay, guys, we've just had a request to see what to do with question 2. So we're just going to look at question 2 from 706 for changing the subjects. Now, the question says change the subject of the formula to the variable indicated in the brackets. So this is a variable in the brackets, so they want you to change the subject to b for the first one. So I'll start off by minusing a squared from both sides. And that'll give me b squared is equal to c squared minus a squared. Okay? And then the next step, you're going to square root both sides to get the b by itself. And remember, when you take the square root of both sides, you must do a plus or minus sign. So my final step then will be b is equal to plus or minus the square root of c squared minus a squared. Now just be careful here, the square root here does not cancel out the powers of 2, right? Because there's a subtraction sign between them. It only cancels out this power of 2 here. All right, now what about for the next one? Here it said, we've got the letter in brackets is a, so you've got to change the subject to a. So first thing to do, I'm going to take ut from both sides. Okay, that gives me s minus ut is equal to a half at squared. Okay, now I want to get rid of that fraction, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. All right, so that bit there, I'm going to times by 2, and also times by 2 here. Now, that cancels the 2's there, and I'm left with 2 bracket s minus ut is equal to at squared. Now, at that stage, we could expand the brackets, but there's really no point. I would just divide both sides by t squared. Cancel the t squareds. That leaves you with the final answer of a is equal to 2 outside of s minus ut, all divided by t squared. And that is the answer. Okay, what about the last one? Well, the last one, you've got the a in brackets, so they want you to make a the subject again. All right, so all you're going to do here is subtract u from both sides. So you get v minus u is equal to at, and then you're going to divide both sides by t. Divide both sides by t, that cancels. And then you're left with a is equal to v minus u on t. That's how to do question 2.